My name is Yasmeen. I am from Bid district and I have completed BSc first and I am a homemaker and I want to speak English in advanced level. Right now I am facing challenges in speaking English fluently and expressing my thoughts clearly. Sometimes I hesitate while speaking and forget words. I also find it difficult to form correct sentence quickly. These struggles affect my confidence because I feel nervous while speaking in English. They also affect my career as good communication is important for growth in daily life. It becomes hard to express my thoughts clearly. I try to fix it by practicing English daily and watching English videos. It worked a little because I learned some new words and improved my pronunciation, but I didn't work daily because I still find it hard to speak fluently and confidently. I finally decided to join this program because I want to improve my English speaking skills and build my confidence. In the next few weeks or months, I hope to speak English more fluently and more more fluently and confidently. I also want to improve my grammar, pronunciation, and daily communication.